Video 21, Part 15C of 25, Outputs from the Plan Quality Management Process. The purpose of this video is to develop a WBS to present the deliverables from the Plan Quality Management Process. The Plan Quality Management Process is the only process in the Project Quality Management knowledge area and is related to the Planning Process Group. Please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you. How important is the quality management plan output in the plan quality management process? The quality management plan is a critical output of the plan quality management process in project management. Its importance lies in several key aspects. 1. Defines quality standards and metrics. The quality management plan establishes the quality criteria, standards, and metrics that the project must meet. The quality management plan ensures all stakeholders agree on what constitutes acceptable quality. 2. Guides quality assurance and control activities. The quality management plan serves as a model for how quality will be assured, in quality assurance, and controlled, in quality control. Throughout the project, the quality management plan outlines processes for audits, inspections, and testing. 3. Aligns with stakeholder expectations. The quality management plan helps manage stakeholder expectations by documenting how quality will be achieved. The quality management plan reduces disputes by providing a clear reference for quality requirements. 4. Supports compliance and regulatory requirements. The quality management plan ensures the project adheres to industry standards, organizational policies, and legal regulations. 5. Improves efficiency and reduces rework. By proactively defining quality expectations, the quality management plan helps prevent defects rather than fixing them later, saving time and costs. 6. Integrates with other project plans. The quality management plan works alongside the project management plan, scope baseline, and risk management plan to ensure quality is embedded in all aspects of the project. How can a poor quality management plan analysis harm the plan quality management process? A poor quality management plan analysis can significantly undermine the plan quality management process, leading to cascading negative effects on the entire project. Here's how a poor quality management plan analysis can cause harm. 1. Unclear quality standards and misalignment. Poor analysis may result in vague or unrealistic quality criteria. As a result, stakeholders may have conflicting expectations, leading to disputes, rework, or rejected deliverables. 2. Inadequate quality control and assurance processes. Weak analysis may fail to define proper inspection methods, testing protocols, or audit procedures. As a result, defects go undetected until late stages, increasing costs and delays due to rework. 3. Non-compliance with regulations and standards. If the quality management plan doesn't properly analyze legal, industry, or organizational standards, the project may violate requirements. As a result, fines, legal penalties, or project shutdowns could occur. 4. Poor risk management. A weak quality management plan may overlook quality-related risks, such as supplier defects and process failures. As a result, unexpected quality failures disrupt schedules and budgets. 5. Increased costs and wasted resources. Without proper analysis, the quality management plan may not optimize prevention over inspection. As a result, excessive rework, scrap, and warranty claims inflate costs. 6. Low customer satisfaction and reputation damage. Poor quality deliverables due to an ineffective quality management plan lead to dissatisfied clients. As a result, loss of future business, negative reviews, or contract penalties. 7. Inefficient use of tools and techniques. Incorrect application of statistical sampling, Six Sigma, or benchmarking due to poor analysis. As a result, misleading data. Ineffective process improvements. 8. Poor integration with other project plans. A flawed quality management plan may conflict with scope, schedule, or cost baselines. As a result, scope creep, budget overruns, or unrealistic timelines. In conclusion, poorly analyzed quality management plan doesn't just weaken the plan quality management process. It also jeopardizes the entire project's success. Investing time in a robust quality analysis prevents costly failures and ensures deliverables meet expectations. As a final message, the quality management plan is essential because it ensures that quality is planned, measured, and controlled from the start, leading to higher customer satisfaction, fewer defects, and better project outcomes. Without it, projects risk inconsistencies, rework, and failure to meet stakeholder expectations. How important is the quality metrics output in the plan quality management process? The quality metrics output is a critical component of the plan quality management process in project management. It plays a vital role in ensuring that quality standards are measurable, achievable, and aligned with stakeholder expectations. Here's why the quality metrics is so important. 1. Defines measurable quality standards. Quality metrics provide specific, quantifiable criteria to assess whether project deliverables meet requirements. Examples include defect rates, test coverage percentages, or customer satisfaction scores. Without clear metrics, quality becomes subjective and difficult to manage. 2. Supports objective quality control. By establishing baselines and targets, quality metrics enable the project team to perform the following actions. First, monitor performance during control quality processes. Second, identify deviations early and take corrective actions. 3. Aligns with stakeholder expectations. Quality metrics ensure that both the project team and stakeholders agree on what constitutes acceptable quality, reducing disputes during validation. 4. Facilitates continuous improvement. Tracking quality trends over time helps in refining processes for future projects, which is part of organizational process assets updates. 5. Compliance and risk mitigation. In regulated industries, such as healthcare and construction, predefined metrics ensure compliance with legal, contractual requirements, reducing the risk of rework or penalties. How can a poor quality metrics analysis harm the plan quality management process? A poor quality metrics analysis can significantly undermine the plan quality management process, leading to cascading negative effects on the project. Here's how a poor quality metrics analysis can cause harm. 1. Unclear or unmeasurable standards. If metrics are vague, such as high quality, without defined criteria, the team cannot objectively assess deliverables. For example, instead of reduce errors, a good metric would be defect density is less than or equal to 0.5% per 1,000 lines of code. 2. Misalignment with stakeholder expectations. Poorly chosen metrics may ignore critical requirements, leading to deliverables that technically meet specs but fail to satisfy users. For example, a software project tracking code coverage, but neglecting user-reported bugs, could ship a buggy product. 3. Ineffective quality control and rework. Without actionable metrics, defects are caught late, such as during user acceptance testing instead of development, increasing rework costs. For example, A construction project without material strength tests might discover structural flaws only after concrete is poured. 4. Wasted resources on irrelevant metrics. Measuring the wrong things, such as tracking number of tests instead of test pass-fail rates, wastes time without improving quality. 5. Compliance risks and legal issues. In regulated industries, such as pharmaceuticals and aerospace, missing critical metrics can lead to failed audits, fines, or safety incidents. For example, a medical device project ignoring sterilization success rate metrics could risk patient safety and FDA rejection. 6. Demotivation and team conflict. Unrealistic or punitive metrics, such as zero defects, can demoralize teams, encouraging them to hide problems rather than improve. In conclusion, quality metrics are essential because they transform abstract quality goals into actionable, measurable data, ensuring the project delivers outputs that meet both fitness for use, related to customer satisfaction, and conformance to requirements, related to standards compliance. Without well-defined quality metrics, the plan quality management process lacks effectiveness, leading to potential quality failures, increased costs, and stakeholder dissatisfaction. As a final message, poor quality metrics analysis weakens the entire quality management framework, leading to cost overruns, delays, and stakeholder dissatisfaction. Investing time in defining meaningful metrics up front is crucial for project success. How important is the project management plan updates output in the plan quality management process? In the plan quality management process, the project management plan updates output is moderately important but not the primary focus. If quality standards introduced in planning significantly alter project constraints, such as regulatory compliance requiring additional testing, formal updates to the project management plan become essential for integrated change control. Here we have the main points of its importance. 1. Secondary output. The main outputs of plan quality management are the quality management plan and quality metrics, and possibly process improvement plan. Project management plan updates are a supplementary output, meaning updates happen only if quality planning affects other areas of the project. 2. Potential updates to other components. If quality requirements impact scope, schedule, cost, or risk, then the following subsidiary plans may need updates. First, scope baseline is updated if quality standards change deliverables. Second, schedule and cost baselines are updated if higher quality processes require more time, money. Third, risk management plan is updated if new quality risks are identified. 3. Progressive elaboration. As quality planning evolves, adjustments to the overall project management plan ensure alignment between quality objectives and execution. How can a poor project management plan updates analysis harm the plan quality management process? A poor project management plan updates analysis during the plan quality management process can significantly undermine quality objectives, leading to cascading issues across the project. See how poor analysis of project management plan updates can cause harm. 1. Misaligned quality standards and project constraints. If updates to scope, schedule, or cost baselines, triggered by quality requirements, are poorly analyzed, quality standards may clash with realistic project constraints. For example, a stringent quality requirement, such as additional testing phases, is added without adjusting the schedule, causing rushed work and defects. 2. Inadequate resource allocation. Failing to update the resource management plan or budget to reflect quality needs, such as hiring skilled inspectors and better materials, leads to: first, shortcuts in quality control. Second, rework due to unmet standards. 3. Unaccounted risks. If the risk management plan is not updated with quality-related risks, such as supplier defects and regulatory non-compliance, the project may face, first, surprise bottlenecks. Second, costly last-minute mitigation efforts. 4. Stakeholder conflicts. Poorly documented updates can create mismatched expectations. For example, a stakeholder expects premium-grade deliverables, but the project management plan wasn't updated to reflect the associated costs, timelines, leading to disputes. 5. Weak change control integration. If quality-driven changes, such as new testing protocols, aren't formally integrated into the project management plan via change control, teams may: first, skip critical steps to meet deadlines. Second, deliver inconsistent results. 6. Compliance failures. Regulatory industry quality standards, such as ISO and FDA, may require explicit updates to the project management plan. Ignoring these explicit updates can result in: first, legal penalties. Second, project rejection. In conclusion, while not the most critical output of plan quality management, project management plan updates ensure consistency across all project dimensions when quality considerations affect other areas. It's more of a backbone activity supporting holistic project alignment rather than the star of the process. As a final message, poor project management plan updates analysis in plan quality management decouples quality from execution, leading to rework, budget overruns, and stakeholder dissatisfaction. A rigorous, integrated approach ensures quality is achievable, not just aspirational. How important is the project documents updates output in the plan quality management process? In the plan quality management process, the project documents updates output is important but typically considered a secondary or supporting output rather than the primary focus. When comparing to primary outputs, we observe the following points. First, the main output of plan quality management is the quality management plan, which defines how quality will be managed. Second, other key outputs include quality metrics, quality checklists, and process improvement plans. Third, project documents updates are supplementary but necessary for maintaining integrated project documentation. Here we have the key importance of project documents updates in plan quality management. 1. Records refinements. The process may lead to updates in documents like: first, stakeholder register is updated if quality requirements or expectations change. Second, requirements documentation is updated if new quality standards or compliance needs are identified. Third, risk register is updated if new quality-related risks are discovered. Fourth, lessons learned register is updated to capture early quality planning insights. 2. Ensures alignment. Updates ensure that all project documentation reflects the quality standards, metrics, and approaches defined in the quality management plan. 3. Supports traceability. The project document updates helps maintain consistency between quality requirements and other project constraints, such as scope, schedule, cost. How can a poor project documents updates analysis harm the plan quality management process? A poor project documents updates analysis in the plan quality management process can significantly harm project quality, leading to misalignment, inefficiencies, and even project failure. A poor project documents updates analysis can result in the following consequences. First, increased defects and rework resulting in higher costs and delays. Second, non-compliance fines or legal risks. Third, stakeholder dissatisfaction due to unmet expectations. Fourth, team confusion from inconsistent quality guidelines. Here's how a poor project documents updates analysis can cause harm. 1. Misaligned quality standards and requirements. If updates to the requirements documentation or stakeholder register are neglected, we can have the following problems. First, quality criteria may not reflect stakeholder expectations. Second, conflicting or outdated requirements could lead to rework. For example, a missed regulatory compliance update could result in failed inspections. 2. Incomplete risk management. If the risk register is not updated with quality-related risks, unidentified defects or process inefficiencies may escalate. For example, a manufacturing project might miss critical material quality risks, leading to recalls. 3. Inconsistent quality metrics and baselines. If quality metrics, such as defect rates and test coverage, aren't documented properly, the team may measure the wrong things, leading to false confidence. For example, software testing may focus on speed rather than usability, missing critical bugs. 4. Poor process adherence and compliance gaps. If process documentation, such as SOPs and checklists, isn't updated, teams may follow outdated methods, causing deviations. For example, a construction project using old safety checklists may violate new regulations. 5. Lessons learned not captured. If the lessons learned register is not updated with past quality issues, the project repeats avoidable mistakes. For example, a previous project's vendor quality issues recur because they weren't documented. 6. Communication breakdowns. If key documents, such as stakeholder register and communications plan, aren't synced with quality updates, stakeholders receive incorrect or incomplete quality reports. For example, a client expects Six Sigma level quality, but the team follows basic standards due to poor documentation. In conclusion, while not the most critical output, project documents updates play a supporting yet essential role in ensuring all project documentation stays aligned with quality objectives. Without these updates, inconsistencies could arise, leading to miscommunication or quality issues later in the project. This video is finished, but we will have in the next videos. 1. Creation of WBS for different projects using WBS Schedule Pro. 2. Examples of project plans using MS Project. And many more videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.